filming? Yeah, I'm filming. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing my February favorites video. Parang kailan ko lang film yung January favorites ko. Ngayon, mag-film na naman ako for my February favorites. Anyway, I will go ahead and show you guys my favorites for this month. I'm gonna start with skincare. The cleanser that I have been using and I have been really liking lately is the Himalaya Herbals Clear Complexion Whitening Face Wash with Complexion Enhancing Saffron. I have been using this for quite a while now. Binili ko siya way back January. I didn't really notice whitening effect on my skin, pero it does the job. It cleansed my face. Very, very gentle nitong cleanser na to. Hindi ako nag-breakout sa kanya. Wala siyang harsh na amoy. After ko siya gamitin, na-feel ko talaga na malinis naman talaga ng bonggang-bongga ang aking face. Okay, so habang nasa skincare tayo, patuloy natin ang skincare. Meron akong tatlong scrubs dito. And if you've been watching me for a while, you would know na I love body scrub. The very first one I have in here is the Skin Sensations Let's Smell Body Scrub. You guys, this is the best smelling body scrub I have ever tried. As in, sobrang bango nito. It reminds me of candy from my childhood, but I just couldn't remember what it is. Maybe I don't know what's the name of that in the first place. That's why I can't really remember. But it's kind of like a milky candy. Someone commented on my video, it's like how-how. I don't really know what how-how is. Maliit lang yung jar niya. Madali siya naubos. Mga hindi siguro siya umabot ng 2 weeks sa akin kasi everyday ako nagsascrub. Sobrang milky niya sa skin. Ang ganda lang ng feeling na kapag naliligo ka tapos nag-scrub ka ng body mo, sobrang bango. It's amazing. So yeah, I really like it. This is from myzyph on Instagram. I will leave her links below. Meron din siyang Facebook, of course. I will leave the links below. Next scrub is the YCSkincare Kojic Papaya Scrub with Bleach Glutan. Daming beses ko na itong na-feature sa favorites ko. I just cannot stop talking about it. I think I failed to include this on my Best of Beauty 2015. But yeah, this is the best ever scrub na na-try ko sa buong buhay ko. This is again from YCSkincare. I will leave her links below. By the way, nagpa-vlog din siya, you guys. So I will leave her channel link below. The best thing that I like about this scrub is hindi ko na kailangan mag-lotion kapag ito yung gamit ko. It has that amazing moisturizing effect sa skin. And you know, tipid-tipid kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-lotion kapag ito yung gamit ko. As in, yung skin ko talaga bonggang-bongga. Last scrub, I know, another scrub. This one, Coffee Milk Face and Body Scrub. And if you watch my vlogs, you know na I'm such a coffee person. I drink coffee every single morning. Yan yung breakfast ko. And I love the smell of coffee. It just makes you, want to start your day like something like that. This smells like coffee. That's why I really, really like it. It's not the best scrub that I want to use kasi sobrang nagsisettle ng bonggang-bongga yung scrub and naiiwan sa ibabaw yung liquid niya. So, kailangan ko siyang i-mix all the time kapag gusto ko na siyang gamitin. Ang bilis niya mag-settle. So, that's the only downside. Kailangan ko siyang i-mix. Pero I really like it because it smells like coffee. Next favorite are soaps. Look at these two. Super cute. This is from Makeup La Arnie. Same with the coffee milk scrub. That's for Makeup La Arnie as well. This smells so good. Yung Snail soap, as in sobrang bango nito. Tapos pink pa siya. Ang lakas niya din bumula. Same with this. The Radish soap, sobrang bilis din bumula nito. Ito naman, mabango din siya but not as mabango as the Snail soap. Actually, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon kasi yung Snail soap ko ubos na. And yung Snail soap, madali siyang maubos kasi sobrang mabula niya. Though ito, sobrang mabula niya din, pero hindi siya nauubos ng mabilis. Sobrang cute ng packaging nila. I believe this is from Thailand. Another skincare product, this one right here. This is the Miracle Cream. I have been using this for 2 weeks now. Ginagamit ko siya as my nighttime moisturizer. But then again, as I mentioned on my vlogs, hindi ko siya ginagamit every single night. Hindi ko siya ginagamit as daytime moisturizer kasi sobrang puti niya. Super thick din ng consistency niya na parang hindi siya nagbe-blend ng maayos sa skin mo. So, I don't think I can wear this under my makeup kasi first of all, sobrang maputi niya. Tapos sobrang thick pa ng consistency niya. Para sa akin, pang nighttime moisturizer lang talaga siya. And pagising ko talaga sa umaga, you guys, wala na yung puti sa mukha ko. But it leaves a really nice flawless and yung skin ko talaga, nakikita ko talaga nag-lighten siya. My sister noticed na pumuti yung mukha ko. Me, myself noticed na pumuti din yung mukha ko. Hindi ako nag-breakout sa kanya. And also, this smells so good. Sabi nila parang melon daw, pero for me, it's better than that. It's just smells so good. As in, hindi nakakasawa yung amoy niya. Wala kang maaamoy na hint of skincare sa kanya. Parang ang sarap-sarap niya kainin. Okay, sa makeup naman tayo. First thing in here is this Nude 2 palette from BYS. Ganito itsura niya. I actually used this on my JS Prom makeup tutorial. I will leave the link of that video below if you haven't seen that. The pigmentation is on point. Color payoff is great. It's not hard to work with. So I'm really liking this. Then next one is the Mary Kay CC cream. Na-mention ko na to sa previous vlog ko. This is the best CC cream I have ever tried, you guys. Hindi siya nakaka-provide ng bonggang coverage. Well, it is a CC cream, so expected na yan, diba? It gives a really nice flawless finish sa face, and I have really oily skin. Hindi siya nag-oil up sa akin ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi din siya heavy sa face at all. I got this from cyramaegc. Again, I will leave her links below. If you have oily skin and you're looking for something na magbibigay lang ng flawless finish sa face mo, like if you don't need that much coverage, I highly recommend this. And then, for BB cream naman, marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin, what's your favorite BB cream? What works for your oily skin? It's the e.l.f. BB cream. I got this from VACosmetics. Light to medium coverage, tapos very lightweight lang din niya. Nakokontrol na din yung oil ko, and it matches my skin tone perfectly. I have mine in the shade medium. My CC cream is in the shade light to medium. This is the best BB cream I have tried. I actually mentioned that on my makeup collection video, but yeah. Another makeup product is the Menow True Lips Lip Liner. Ito yung from Prettyangelshoppe. Sa lahat ng Menow products na na-review ko, I'm not sure if the Menow lip gloss review is already up, but natapos ko na yun i-edit. I will have it up really soon for you guys. But yeah, sa tatlong Menow products na na-review ko, yung Kiss Proof, yung lip gloss, and itong True Lips. Itong True Lips yung pinaka-gusto ko sa tatlo. It has matte finish, and karamihan dito sa set na to, magaganda yung color payoff. If you're a beginner and you're looking for a lot of lip colors to play with, I highly recommend the True Lips Lip Liner. For the lipsticks naman, I think I already featured this on my January favorites video. Oh well, I'm gonna feature it again. It is the Maybelline Clorshow Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Lively Violet. I also use this on my JS Prom makeup look. It is that perfect like pinkish nude shade na I feel like babagay sa kahit na anong skin tone meron ka. Sobrang ganda nito. Tapos sobrang bango pa. Next one is another lipstick. I'm not sure if available to dito sa Pilipinas. Pero you know, if you're outside the country and makita nyo, I highly recommend you guys try this. It is the Revlon Living Lipstick Sun Protectives. I have mine in the shade Snapdragon. Look at that shade though. Sobrang ganda niya. For me, it's a perfect everyday pink color. Yung Lively Violet is like a nudie pink. Hindi din naman kasi siya super in-your-face pink. Also, the formula, it glides on really nicely on the lips. It's just so good. Oh, another makeup product is this Ever Original Liner. This is in the shade brown. I use this on my eyebrows because I just dyed my hair and I needed something lighter than the previous eyebrow powder that I have been using. This is actually the very first eyebrow product that I use on my brows, you guys. I remember nasa call center pa ako and I decided to fill in my brows. This was the very first eyebrow product I used. Sobrang mura lang nito. I think it's only 85 pesos if I remember it right. I have it on my brows right now and ito na yung lagi kong sinusuot sa brows ko. For the jewelries, I have been wearing this non-stop. Oh, together with this ring. Itong necklace na to is from Kim's Collections 2015. So, as you guys can see, it's R, my initial. I really like it. Lagi ko siyang sinusuot kasi nga, sobrang gusto ko siya. Sobrang gusto ko din yung chain niya kasi very dainty ng chain niya, hindi makapal at all. The ring right here is from Jewelryfactoryshop. She customized it to my size, so I'm pretty sure you can request for her to customize yours as well, especially if you have maliliit na fingers like me. Super cute, super dainty din niya. And yeah, lagi ko na siyang suot. Bonggang-bongga tong ring na to, you guys. And also, my Sophia bracelet. Na-feature ko na to sa haul ko. Meron akong 4 na charms dito, tapos 2 stopper. I also wear this everyday. Pero, lahat ng to, tinatanggal ko kapag naliligo ako. Hindi pa siya natatarnish. Okay na okay pa rin yung quality niya. Ay, merong nagtanong kung na-deliver siya directly to our house. Yes, it was delivered to our house. Tapos, I waited like mga 10 days lang sa kanya. I do have a 5% code. I will leave it right here. If you're interested to order from Sophia, you can use my code and you will get 5% off. Bongga! And then, onto the brushes. I have 4 brushes in here. The first one is this e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. I use this to blend my concealer under my eyes. Sobrang ganda ng effect niya after mong i-blend, as in sobrang flawless tingnan. Hindi siya nagli-leave ng mga brush strokes, marks, something like that. And then for the eyebrows, I have been loving this Anastasia Brow Duo. Meron na siyang spoolie, tapos meron din siyang pang-apply ng eyebrows. And gusto ko yung pang-apply ng eyebrows niya kasi kahit na maliit siya, hindi siya as in sobrang nipis. Para sa akin, enough lang yung thickness niya, hindi siya sobrang nipis. So gustong-gusto ko siya i-draw sa eyebrows ko. I didn't use this today though because I used the pencil. Next brushes are these two. Na-feature ko na to sa previous favorites ko, I believe. This one is from Moonkini. Ito yung powder brush nila. Sobrang bongga. Hinugasan ko na to ng 2 beses. Nami-maintain pa rin niya yung shape niya. Mataba pa rin siya. Nabonggang-bongga. Super fluffy pa rin niya. Super soft pa rin niya sa face. Just the perfect powder brush. You guys, last brush but not the least is this mushroom brush right here. Like, look how cute is this bad boy though. Like, sobrang cute niya. It just blends the foundation really nicely. It's really worth the hype. If you're looking for a foundation brush, I highly recommend this one right here. Next one in here is this really cute brush egg. This is from Prettyangelshoppe. Same with these two brushes. These are from Prettyangelshoppe as well. I washed my brushes kagabi kasi and naisip ko, my gosh, na-feature ko na ba to sa favorites ko? Because I don't remember. But it needs to be featured kasi sobrang laki ng tulong nito sa pag-wash ng brushes, you guys. As in, believe me, iba talaga yung resulta kapag dito mo wina-wash yung brushes mo instead of your palm. Kasi noon, nang wala pa akong brush egg, yung palm yung ginagamit ko. Doon ko sineswirl yung brushes ko. But using this is way better than just your palm. Kasi diba, you guys can see, meron siyang mga ridges na ganap dyan. And meron din siyang mga tiny curva dito for your small brushes. Last thing in here is the OMG Gems Collection Nail Polish. This is in the shade Fluorite. I really like this. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na magugustuhan ko yung purple. Tapos glittery pa sa nails ko. Gagamitin ko lang sana siya as my accent nail sa ring finger ko. Pero nilagay ko siya sa ring finger ko, that was like, my gosh, that deserves to be on all of my nails. So I decided to paint my nails with it. I mean, obviously, it's not the one I have on right now. It's a glittery nail polish, so it's a pain to remove, but it's so freaking worth it. Sobrang ganda ng shade na to. And that's it for this favorites video. I feel like I've been talking for so long. Super thick din ng consistency niya. Super thick din, sobrang thick din ng than the ano ba? And yeah, sobrang mura. Oops. And naisip ko, my gosh, na-feature ko na to. Ano? But yeah, crap. But yeah, this is the